Hey guys, so happy new year. It's 2025. New year, new me. Got some new hobbies. We got a patio put in. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's white, and it's white because I painted it. So my husband helped, but I would say that the painting wise, I did a lot of it. I hope everyone has had a great start to 2025. I know this is gonna be a great year. Can already tell. Although it didn't start off on the right foot for a lot of people, I think it's gonna get better. There's no other choice. I haven't made a video in a while, and I was just gonna talk about the new hobbies that I picked up. So there's two hobbies. The first one, I've only done one episode so far, but I've started a Webtoons. It looks like this. It's called The Cuddle Monster. I'm gonna link it below. And that was a huge learning curve. I had to figure out how to format. I am not good at formatting. So I'll probably make a video on how to format. In case you've ever tried to make one, it's actually kind of hard. I don't understand the whole pixels and sizes of pixels and making sure something is the right pixel size to where when you're looking at it on your phone, it looks normal and it looks good. So that was the problems I ran into. I will probably make a video just to make someone's life easier. I'll probably also do like a make an episode with me video. I think that would be fun. Second hobby, I kind of ran into this by mistake, but my cousin, shout out to my cousin, asked me to take maternity photos for them, and I did, and it turns out that I really love taking photos. So might try to pursue that on the side, maybe as a weekend hobby. I'm probably gonna make some videos on that too, but just to show you, like, this is one of the pictures that I took, and I just love it. I was so nervous that day that the photos just wouldn't turn out because I'm not a photographer. And when I got onto Lightroom and I started playing, I was like, these are beautiful. So I really surprised myself, because one time I tried to take photos indoors and everything was complete trash, did not turn out. So I was really happy about that. So I'll probably make some videos on photography too, just because I'm really into that right now. So other than that, that's pretty much the updates. So if you started a new hobby, I would love for you guys to put that in the comments. I would love to be able to support people with the hobbies they start, especially at the beginning of the year, because I feel like you definitely see the turn, the dip after January, where like you start strong and then all of a sudden you just nosedive and the hobby just splatters onto the ground, never to be seen again. It's like terrible. So yeah, if that's something that you would like, here to support you, just put it in the comments. And it's almost February. We'll see how long this goes. I'll try to get some more videos up because I enjoy making videos. I just haven't been able to.